Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the black appearance package, tow and haul, and bed utility. Taking a look at the back here, we do have rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera. We do get a tailgate step as well, which makes it easier to get into your bed. We do have a nice black gripped running board, side view camera, blind spot detection, turn light and spotlight indicated. And moving to the front, we do have front park sensing, 2 tow hooks, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have the nice black sport cloth interior, plenty of door space, a carpeted interior, cup holders, you got 12-volt back here, 2 USB seats, and 120. And of course you can lift up the seats for additional space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats, the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty more door space up front, parking brake lights, spotlights, and tailgate opener all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 8.4 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at your screen here, we do have My View, Trip and Feel, your gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have a leather-wrapped gear select, and you got your speeds. It's also collapsible storage, cup holders, more storage with some outlets. Leather-wrapped center console, if it opens, with tons of more storage underneath. We have a rear locking diff, 4-wheel drive and drive modes, trailer brake, pro trailer assist. You have your engine start just right there. Heated front seats with dual climate. You got a 12-volt and 120. Got storage above and below. Above me, we do have our features for our rear window opener, which is pretty handy. We have our auto stop, auto start, 360 view of the vehicle, park assist, hazards, traction, and your BLUECRUISE, which is just Ford self-driving. You do have your audio, which does have Sirius XM capabilities. You got your phone, navigation, your fave apps such as messaging, email, all that jazz. Apps in general, or any apps you have downloaded, will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, your settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KF73169, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.